My name is Ashanti Bragg, and I am a hip-hop artist and host. I love being creative. Like, I need to be creative. The effect that my music has, I love when people interact and dance to my music and feel my music, and I want to get paid for doing what I love. My favorite genre to write is probably like R&B and hip-hop for sure, clearly. But I also like pop. I was born in Norfolk, but I was like raised in Virginia Beach for so long, and now I'm back in Norfolk. I've been living in Norfolk for a few years. I like to go to different events, like different music events, different like other like food events. I love cooking, dancing, just hanging with family and traveling. I believe in vibrations, and so I feel like, you know, you're gonna match what you put out, and the more you surround yourself and, you know, surround yourself with good energy and good vibrations and good people who have a positive motive, that'll help you do and carry out whatever your motive is as well. We all need a team too. We can all help each other, and I feel like there's no such thing as not enough space or not enough food for everybody to eat. This is Ashanti Bragg, and you are tuned into FrequencyVA.